Welcome to the Healthy Skin Secrets channel. Ceramides and peptides are both beneficial ingredients in skincare and can be incorporated into your routine to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. Let's explore why and how to use them, as well as who should consider using them. 1. Ceramides. Why use ceramides? Ceramides are natural lipids, fats, that are an essential component of the skin's barrier. They play a crucial role in maintaining skin hydration, protecting it from environmental stressors, and preventing moisture loss. With age or due to various skin conditions, the levels of ceramides in the skin can decrease, leading to dryness, sensitivity, and a weakened barrier function. By using skincare products containing ceramides, you can help replenish and strengthen your skin barrier. How to use ceramides? Look for skincare products like moisturizers, serums, or creams that contain ceramides. These can be incorporated into your routine after cleansing and toning. Apply the product to your face and neck, focusing on areas that tend to be drier or more sensitive. Ceramides work well with other moisturizing ingredients, such as hyaluronic acid and glycerin, to lock in hydration. Who should use ceramides? Ceramides are generally suitable for all skin types, but they are especially beneficial for those with dry or sensitive skin. Additionally, people with eczema or other conditions that compromise the skin barrier can benefit from ceramide-containing products to soothe and repair their skin. 1. Peptides. Why use peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, and are essential for various functions in the skin. When applied topically, peptides can stimulate collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. They also help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making the skin look smoother and more youthful. How to use peptides? Peptides are commonly found in serums, creams, and sometimes even in cleansers or masks. You can incorporate them into your skincare routine after cleansing and toning, before applying heavier creams or moisturizers. Apply a few drops of peptide-containing serum to your face and neck, gently patting it into the skin. Who should use peptides? Peptides are generally safe for all skin types, but they are particularly beneficial for individuals who are concerned about signs of aging or wish to improve their skin's elasticity and firmness. People in their 30s and older often start using peptides to proactively address signs of aging, but those in their 20s can also benefit from using them as a preventive measure. Who should not use ceramides and peptides? Both ceramides and peptides are considered safe for most people, but some individuals may have specific allergies or sensitivities to certain ingredients. If you have a history of allergic reactions to skincare products, it's essential to patch test new products before applying them to your entire face. As with any new skincare product, it's a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional, especially if you have specific skin concerns or conditions, to ensure that ceramides and peptides are suitable for your skin type and needs. In conclusion, ceramides and peptides are valuable ingredients to include in your skincare routine, particularly if you have dry or aging skin. They can help strengthen the skin's barrier, improve hydration, and promote a more youthful appearance. However, as with any new skincare product, it's essential to understand your skin's unique needs and consult with a professional if necessary. Affirm and repeat after me. 1. My skin is radiant and glowing with health and vitality. 2. I am grateful for my beautiful, glowing skin, and I take care of it with love. 3. Every day, my skin becomes more luminous and flawless. 4. I deserve to have glowing skin, and I am worthy of feeling confident in it. 5. I attract positive energy that enhances my skin's natural glow and beauty.